Good morning, Bachman Middle School. Today is Wednesday, December 2nd, and I am Mr. Strand with today's Tiger Talk. So we're going to do something a little different at the top of the announcements from now on. I'm going to say what both cohorts are up to. So today is a Cohort 1 class meeting day and a Cohort 2 virtual coaching day. Please keep in mind that our schedule is different this week than what it will be for the next 2 weeks. Today is, as I just said, Cohort 1 has class meetings. Cohort 2 has virtual coaching. Tomorrow and Friday, that will be flipped. Tomorrow and Friday both. Cohort 2 will have class meetings and Cohort 1 will have virtual coaching. There is no flex day this week. There is none. Next week, we will be back to something resembling our regular hybrid schedule. Next week then, Monday and Tuesday will be Cohort 1 class meeting days. Just like when we were in hybrid, Cohort 1 met on Monday and Tuesday. You will still meet Monday and Tuesday next week, and those will be virtual coaching days for Cohort 2. That will flip. Cohort 2 will have class meeting days Wednesday and Thursday next week. Wednesday and Thursday next week. And then Cohort 1 will have virtual coaching. Friday will once again be a flex day next week. But this week, Friday is not a flex day because there isn't one. So take a look at that schedule again if you need to. I will link to it as well in the comments below this post. Now I want to talk to you again about our word of the week, which is emphasize. Emphasize, once again, means to place special importance on something in speaking or writing. One of the ways that we emphasize something is by putting stress on a particular syllable or word while speaking out loud. So today, I want to show you an example of how emphasis, or what you emphasize, can change the meaning of something. We're going to use this sentence. I never said she stole my money. Depending on which word you emphasize, the meaning of this sentence changes slightly with each word. So I got my wife, Rosalind, or Mrs. Strand, to help me out. We are going to say this sentence 7 times, emphasizing a different word each time. Listen to how which word we emphasize changes the meaning of the sentence. I never said she stole my money.
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 And if you emphasize every word, you sound like Christopher Walken. I never said she stole my money.
Well, did you notice how the meaning changed slightly depending on which word we emphasized? This is an example made to demonstrate that, of course, but it is true often in speaking and writing. So listen to what words you emphasize and how it changes the meaning of what you say. And if you want to send in an example of yourself changing the emphasis on something that you're saying, or someone else, you could be the director. You don't even have to be the star. Of course, it doesn't have to be a video. It could be a meme like we talked about yesterday, or a drawing, or anything that you want to demonstrate the meaning of the word emphasize, our word of the week. I would love to include some of these in this Friday's announcements. Once again, you can message me on Schoology. I'm Anthony Strand, or you can email me, astrand@isd192.org. Look forward to seeing what you come up with. Finally, while we're in distance learning, we're going to be bringing you fitness and wellness tips from time to time. So I'll start out with a simple one, but one that we all need to be reminded of. Don't forget to drink a lot of water. Have a good day, and we'll see you tomorrow.